I could paint those. That would be fun.
That'd be a really great Christmas idea. On the lids, because the lids don't get baked, so they wouldn't.
Yeah. We made lasagna! The meal for tomorrow. Because it takes 2 days to shear 700 sheep. We're doing 1,000. We're doing 1,200? Oh, so were they supposed to get 700 done today? Okay, I thought it was just 700 in total. Well, God, there's going to be a lot of naked lammies running around. No wonder. They look so funny up on that hill. They're all looking around like, why is it so cold?
Well, we can get 1,300 of them in the barn.
Yeah.
So that's all we can do.
Okay. Yeah, I don't even see any of them now. They're not up on the hill anymore.